You got your business idea. You got your offer. Now comes the part that scares most people. How much should I charge? And how do I get someone actually pay me? In this video, I'll show you how to price your offer with confidence and how to land your first paying client. Part 1. How to set your price. Most beginners undercharge. Why? Because they're afraid to ask for money. But here's the truth. People don't pay for your time. They pay for the results. So your price isn't based on how long something takes. It's based on how valuable the outcome is to the person you are helping. Here's how to think about it. Ask yourself, if I were the client, what would this result be worth to me? Example, if your coaching helps someone get a job that pays 60,000 euros per year, is it worth it 100 euros or is it worth it 500 euros? Think about it. If you solve a painful problem, your offer is valuable. Don't sell cheap. Sell based on results. Part 3. Start with 2 simple options. Make it easy. Offer 2 clear choices. Option 1. One-time session, quick win. Option 2. A full package, multiple sessions and full support. Now, this gives your client a real choice and it helps you avoid "let me think about it." Part 4. How to get your first client. Now, your client is already in your circle. It could be a friend, a colleague, someone on LinkedIn. And here's what to do. Step 1. Pick 5 people who might need your help. Step 2. Send them a message. Step 3. Offer your service and ask, would this be helpful to you? Tell them you're taking 2 clients at early price. Step 5. Deliver massive value. Step 6. Ask for testimonial after. That's it. Now, you don't need a website, you don't need ads, you don't need 10,000 followers. All you need is a clear offer, a confidence price, one person to say yes. In the next video, I'll show you how to sell your offer without feeling salesy or pushy. Subscribe now and let's get your first client.